6 minus 6 is 0, and again 6 minus 6 is 0. And 0 times 0 equals 0, but this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations, which we call PEMDAS. Look, the PEMDAS rule is very simple. First, we have to solve the expressions inside the parentheses, then the exponents. Next, we get to multiplication and division, which have the same priority and must be solved strictly from left to right. And finally, we have addition and subtraction, which also need to be solved in the exact same way, from left to right. This channel is for smart people. If you're smart, subscribe to the channel. In this expression, we have subtraction, multiplication, and parentheses. According to PEMDAS, we must first solve inside the parentheses. So 6 minus 6 equals 0, and the expression becomes 6 minus 6 times 0. In this new expression, we have subtraction and multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so 6 times 0 equals 0, and therefore 6 minus 0 equals 6. Please like and subscribe, thank you.